finally we have set up. Holy crap! I have to come and show you this. And it's not small. Check out the size of this spider. If you're scared of spiders, I don't know if camping is for you, but for us it's not going to deter us. So let's get on with the setup and then let's get on with the video. So right folks, we're going to spend the next 2 days here and we'll show you around and let you see what it's like camping here at Mabalingwe. You can see the jacarandas are out in full bloom, so it's purple all over here. Makes for quite a nice scene. Now let's go for a quick walk around the campsite to see how busy it is and what it looks like at the pool and at the shop. Fire, so fire is lit. Now it's just waiting for it to get ready and then we will have some delicious supper. While we wait for the coals to get ready, let's go and check out the sunset. You get some of the most stunning sunsets here in the African bushveld, and tonight is no exception. Just look at the colors in the sky. Well, there we go, supper's ready. We've got our wors and our pap. Now we're going to enjoy. Wow. So how nice is that? When you're at Mabalingwe here, you can actually come and enjoy the heated pool at night time as well. We've just had supper, so I'm just getting into the pool a little bit to cool down after that sweltering hot afternoon we've had. The campsite is not as quiet as the previous sites that we were at over the last couple of days, but it's also nice hearing everybody chatting, everybody out in camping and also enjoying it a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna carry on swimming and see you later. So we've come for a morning game drive, and one of the nice things about being in your van is if you find a watering hole like this, you can stop off, just sit and relax, have a nice cold drink. Who would not want an office view like that? There you can see Tetsibi watering hole. It's real wildlife out here. You can see the snake and the tree over there. Alright, so we've arrived at the Oasis. If you do a game drive here and you get tired, you can come to the Oasis for a beer and to use the bathrooms. The Oasis used to be in the Castrol ads. So this is where the original Castrol ads back in the day in the 80s were filmed. You can see they have now turned it into a little bar and restaurant for you to come and enjoy while you're on a game drive. So as you can see, there's lots of interesting things to look at and see over here, and we're going to go to the bathrooms here quickly. They're also quite interesting. Some bathrooms are decorated. As I said, for the gents, you just pee in a bucket. And your basins are also your old style steel buckets. So really nice. Hello, anybody there? We're back at the watering hole. Like I showed you, we're having lunch. We're just going to sit and park here for another little while, see if anything else happens to come past here. If not, then we'll go back and have a swim and then just sit and relax again. So it started getting a little bit hot out there at the watering hole, so we've decided to come back and rather come and have a swim. They also offer game drives here at Mabalingwe, starting from the caravan park. And see them lining all up for the game drive. Let's wish them luck and that they see lots of game. Let them see all the game we didn't see. Even though we didn't see much game on our game drive, there is a bit of wildlife around our campsite. We've got these little bokkies roaming around here, so that's nice to sit and watch. Here we go, guys. It's late afternoon, about 5:30 or so, and we're starting off with the braai again. You know, when you go camping, that's mainly what you're going to be eating is your braai. If you're vegetarian, you must bring some salads and stuff, because when we do it, we just braai. So yeah, up to the braai, we'll show you what that's going to be like. Today we have, for the braai, we have got some lamb ribbies and some pork sausages, and we're going to have that with a potato salad again. That's going to be absolutely delicious. Supper time. Our pork sausages, our lamb ribbies, potato salad, and toasted roll. So let's give it a taste. Morning folks, we've come to the main swimming pool area to come and see what it looks like here before we hit the road to go and look for some breakfast at the patstal. Oh wow, something to jump on. Let's be a kid again. So if you come here, come and enjoy the jumping castle. I've been jumping for half an hour. We've made a little bit of a pit stop. We haven't had breakfast yet, so we're going to go and see what snacks they've got here before we can find somewhere that's actually got breakfast. But let's see. Hello. So what we get in the shop? A good South African snack called koeksisters. Very, very sweet, doughy, sugary, syrupy goodness. Now we've got energy to get back onto the road again. Aha! Now we found our next van conversion. We're going to turn this bus into a camper. Why not? It's just in very good condition. Very good condition. We've arrived at our last patstal, Pete's patstal. Let's see what this is like. Let's see if we can get breakfast here. So when you come to this kind of patstalls, there's always these interesting little shops that sells the most interesting stuff. I mean, look at this for instance. Look at this chair. Have you ever seen a chair like that? Well, maybe it's somebody's style. Once again, a big surprise. You come to these little patstalls, you walk through to the coffee shop in the back, and they've actually got a whole bird aviary in here. So they've got chickens, they've got doves. I see some ducks in the back here, like little petting zoo play area for the kids. You know what? So that's, as I said, that's why you always come, stop at these patstalls, support these guys, and you might just find something very interesting. At this one's called the Werf at the back here. So let's quickly go. We're gonna now order something to eat, and then we'll be on the road again. And of course, if you need to come to the bathrooms, there's also bathrooms facilities here. And the bathroom is also decorated with some old biscuit tins. Well, that's quite interesting. So we found another interesting peak group. This one is a little funnel. Look at the tap for the basin. The basin. It's just hanging there. Now let's get to the real reason we are here. Breakfast. Still absolutely delicious. So food has arrived. Bev's sandwich looks absolutely delicious. And then my vet cook and mince. Just look at all that mince and that vet cook. This is going to be absolutely delicious. What's vet cook? Vet cook is basically just fried dough ball. But it is a South African staple and it is very delicious. Look at that. And this looks like it's got bobotie sauce on it. Very nice, Pete's little patstal. Your food is delicious. If you're ever in the bela-bela area, like about 5 or 10 km out of town, come and have something to eat here. It's absolutely delicious and beautiful atmosphere. So that is the conclusion of our road trip from Autovilla to Marekele to now Mabalingwe and now back home. So thank you for watching, thank you for being with us. Remember to watch the campsite reviews that's coming up soon. And then like always, if you like this kind of videos, you want to see more, give us a like, give us a subscribe, ring the bell, comment in the comments, and like always, get out there and go and explore the sunshine. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Now a bit of the road and while we're driving. I got to start that camera. So I wanted that camera to film as live. Start there.